live band, and we have free flow of drinks. Everybody coming to our booth and getting very interesting. Even we close at 9 and 11 o'clock, nobody want to leave our place because we fill with drink and a lot of entertainment. It's very nice, very great.
The fantastic yachts here, especially Azimut has put a very good show here, and yeah, having a fantastic time.
I'm a graphic designer, and it's like when I look at the boats, I just love the lines and like how they're designed. It's awesome. I have so much fun, good people, and like it's really enjoyable.
You know, you guys could put on a pretty good show with all the musicians running around and beautiful boats. It's good, very nice, and that's why we were at a other VIP tent. We decided to come back.
And I just love the Azimut Yachts events. Always a great vibe, great people, great mix. It's here first night, coming back for the second night. Let's do a third, let's do a fourth, let's just keep going.